Braun Series 9 Pro versus Panasonic Arc 5. The Braun usually costs quite a bit more, and the real question is whether that extra spend actually buys you a closer, more comfortable shave, or just a fancy cleaning station you do not really need. Going cheaper can be smart, but it can also leave you doing extra passes every morning. Let's make it clear. How close do they really get, and how fast? This is where most guys decide, and honestly, the Panasonic Arc 5 has a slight edge here. The 5-blade head with that linear motor mows through stubble in fewer passes, and the Closeness gets pretty close to a manual blade. The Braun Series 9 Pro Plus is no slouch. The 5 shave elements catch flat-lying hairs really well, but on dense 1 or 2 day stubble, the Panasonic just feels faster. There's an opinion floating around from a guy who shaves his head daily and gets it done in under 2 minutes with the Arc 5. That tells you everything about the cutting power. For pure speed and closeness, the Panasonic is ahead. But closer isn't always better if it irritates your skin, and this is where the Braun flips the script. The Series 9 Pro Plus is the more forgiving shaver, especially around the neck and jawline. People with sensitive skin who've tried both consistently lean Braun for daily comfort. The Panasonic can feel more aggressive, and a stray review even called it harsh on the skin if you press too hard. That's a technique thing, but it tells you something about the personality of each tool. The Arc 5 rewards a light touch and pairs really well with shaving cream. The Braun is more grab it and go. Dry, no fuss, no redness. If your neck breaks out easily, the Braun is the safer call. Straight up. Now what about thick beards, longer growth, and the bald head crowd? Here the picture splits in an interesting way. For a heavy beard at 1 to 3 days, both handle it well, but the Panasonic chews through dense stubble noticeably faster. Push past 4 or 5 days though, and the Braun's shaving head with its auto-sense actually adapts better to longer hair without tugging. There's a review I came across from a retired guy who only shaves once or twice a week, and the Series 9 takes care of up to 5 days of growth without extra effort. That's the Braun's secret weapon. For bald head shavers, the Panasonic gets a lot of love for the fast, super close finish. The Braun also performs well there, but takes a touch longer.
So, daily or every other day shavers with thick beards, Panasonic. Infrequent shavers with longer growth, Braun.
Cleaning and maintenance is where the philosophies really split. The Braun comes with the Smart Care Center, the dock that cleans, lubricates, dries, and charges automatically. It's genuinely convenient, and people who hate fiddling with their gear love it. But here's the real trade-off. Those cleaning cartridges aren't free, and replacement heads run around 18 months. That extra feature has a real price. Every year, forever. The Panasonic Arc 5 ES LV65 doesn't have a dock. You pop the head, run it under the tap with a drop of dish soap, done in under a minute. No cartridges to buy, no proprietary fluid. One owner has been using just liquid hand soap for over a year, and the blades still cut like new. If you're the kind who hates ongoing costs, the Panasonic wins this one cleanly. If you'd rather drop it in a station and forget about it, Braun earns the premium. On battery and travel, both land in the same neighborhood. The Braun gives you about 60 minutes of runtime, with a 5-minute quick charge for a single shave. The Panasonic does around 45 minutes with the same quick charge trick. Both run on universal voltage. Neither has USB-C, which in 2026 is genuinely annoying, but the Braun's proprietary cable gets called out more because of the price tag.
So price and total value. The Braun Series 9 Pro Plus sits in a notably higher range, and that's before you factor in cleaning cartridges and replacement heads. The Panasonic Arc 5 lands meaningfully lower, with cheaper upkeep over the years. The Braun gives you the dock, the auto-cleaning, the more comfortable shave, and that premium German build. The Panasonic gives you closer cuts, faster shaves, and basically zero hidden costs. On discounts, the Panasonic drops more often and harder, especially around Prime Day and Black Friday. The Braun holds its price more steadily, though Braun does run gift set promotions during the holidays.
Here's the call. There's no single winner here, and I won't fake it. The Panasonic shaves closer and faster with way lower upkeep. The Braun is gentler on skin and basically maintains itself. If your priority is the closest, fastest shave with zero ongoing cost, especially bald head guys and thick daily beards, the Panasonic Arc 5. If you've got sensitive skin, hate neck irritation, or only shave every few days and want to drop it in a dock and forget it, the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus is worth the spend. The Panasonic drops harder around Prime Day and Black Friday, so wait for sales if budget matters. And you, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Both linked below with the current price.